Nĩngemina andũ hiũ igoti-inĩ rĩa Shanzu kũrũmĩrĩra itua rĩa igoti rĩrĩ kũrekereria Mũhunjia Ezekiel Odero wa kanitha wa New Life Prayer Center na mbũndi ya ciringi milioni 3 kana ciringi milioni 1,500 mbeca baribari.
The respondent shall be admitted to a bond of 3 million shillings with one surety of similar amount or an alternative of cash bail of 1.5 million shillings.
Odero ria wanyitirwo kiumia kimwe githiru akoretwo thero igoti rigietererwo gutuithania iguru ria ihoya ria mwena wa thitango ria kumuhingira thiku 30 niguo marikie uthuthuria riria riteaniirio. Itua-ini riri Odero athitwo ahurage riboti borithi rita rimwe hari kiumia na iguru ria agekirirwo mukana wa kwaria undu ona uriku iguru ria maundu maria marathie na mbere Shakahola. Maya magithie na mbere nakuo mocara-ini ya Malindi uthuthuria wa miri njuragano-ini cia Shakahola ni wingirite thiko ya kana kuria miri 24 makiria ithuthuritio.
3 were children and 21 were adults. 8 males and 16 females. Most of them were severely decomposed.
Hamwe na kuoneka andu aya makuire kumana na kwaga irio na mai ni kuonekete amwe makuire thutha wa kuguthwo mutwe na oho gukoneka mutumia wakuire thutha wa mathina ma kugia mwana.
We found 2 who had head injuries, meaning that they had been injured to they died because of blunt trauma to the head. And then we found one lady who looked like she had delivered recently, and there were what looked like complication of delivery, which was bleeding.
Mutito-ini wa Shakahola kuria thirikari iratwarithia firigisheni mundu ungi umwe ni yongereire ithabu-ini ria aria mahonoketio na kuhingia andu 50.
So tomorrow we'll embark on the process of finishing up the 11 remaining bodies, so that after that we'll arrange to go back to the scene and start doing exhumation of the identified graves.
Gerifotera Inoro TV retwa rekwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.